Hi guys, I hope you're all safe in your homes. Welcome to 2.0, a site where we share all our second opinions. You may see more of our content about cars, tech, and lifestyle on secondopinion.ph. I'm Alex and today we'll be talking about Realme's newest budget smartphone, the Realme 6i. It was actually just released today in the Philippines with the price tag of $7,990 for the 3GB of RAM and 64GB storage, while for the 4GB of RAM and 128GB storage is priced at $990. I've actually been using the phone for about a week now, and let's see its newest upgrades after its predecessor Realme 5, which was released last October 2019. So let's get started. This design is similar to the Realme X Master Edition designed by Naoto Fukasawa. It has a vertical gradient showing lines that appear depending on how light strikes the surface. As you can see, we have green tea, but you can also get it in milk white. It has a polycarbonate back and matte finish which doesn't feel luxurious to the touch, but is smudge proof and gives a better grip. You'll also find your fingerprint scanner in the middle beside the protruding quad-rear camera, which is reachable even with small hands, but I sometimes have issues with it unlocking immediately. On the right, you have your power button, and underneath are the headphone jack, microphone, USB-C port, and speaker. For the speaker, it's quite surprisingly loud, but the loudness compromises the quality, so I'd rather just use earphones instead. On the left, you have the volume rocker and card tray for 2 nano SIM cards and the micro SD slot. For the software, we have the new Realme UI, which is based on Android 10. Up front, we have a 6.5-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 1600 by 720 with a 269 ppi. You also have Gorilla Glass 3 for protection with a plastic film coat to avoid any minor damages or scratches on your phone. Powering the device, we have the MediaTek Hello G80 octa-core, and this is actually the first phone to use this chipset. It comes with a Mali G52 GPU with up to 4GB of RAM and 128GB storage expandable up to 256GB, which can be really useful, and this is definitely an upgrade from the Realme 5 and makes it really fast streaming 720p. Colors are really good too, it did not disappoint, not even from an angle. I haven't really experienced any lag while using the phone or playing games. The brightness was okay, workable for me even when outdoors. You can also enjoy a split screen when you swipe up with 3 fingers, which is also useful, but it doesn't really work with all apps, so I don't think I'll be using that often. I do enjoy the dark mode to avoid eye strain, but you can also have eye care as another option. For its 5000 mAh battery, which is the longest battery life of Realme, it lasted me nearly 5 days with very light to moderate usage. Charging, however, took 2 hours and 30 minutes from 0 to 100, pretty long actually despite its 18-watt quick charge upgrade. On top of all these upgrades, the 48-megapixel AI quad camera tops it all, coming from the Realme 5's 12-megapixel camera. This also comes with 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP portrait, and 2MP macro lens, which is actually similar to the Realme 5 Pro, which is priced at $11,990, while you get the 6i for as low as $7,990. Trying out the camera, some pictures can be really crisp. However, there's a bit of an inconsistency and it may appear grainy in less favorable lighting. The colors can also be a bit dull, and it was also difficult taking pictures of fast-moving objects. I can also say the same for the 16-megapixel selfie camera and the water drop notch on the top of the screen. This is also an upgrade from the Realme 5, which only had 12 megapixels. I actually also turned off the AI setting or the beautify effect for both the front and back cameras. Well, for the video that adjusts automatically with the background's lighting, it didn't come out as smooth as I thought, so the videos can be bright and darken all of a sudden. Overall, it's very good and an impressive phone considering its price point. Here are some photos you can see for yourself. So what do you guys think? Let us know your opinions in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, click like to subscribe to our channel and make sure to visit secondopinion.ph for more news and reviews. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.